Here I've got RUGGEAR RG850, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first let's open the phone dealer and now enter the first code, which is *pound, *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we are in diagnostic mode performed by Google, where you can check both events and status. And if you will click on the more icon, you would be able to activate advanced view. Just click here and now you can come along with way more information. So let me go back. That would be all for the first code. And the second is *pound, *pound, 4636, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here you've got the testing mode performed also by Google, where you can check phone information, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. In the first tab, phone information, you can come along with your IMEI number, phone number if your SIM card is included, current network, signal strength, and all the other very useful information. You can also perform a ping test here. Just click on Run Ping Test, and below you will find the solution. So that would be all for this one. Let me go back. Then you can come along with the detailed usage statistics here. Just click on usage statistics, and here you've got detailed information about your applications. So just scroll down and come along with all the details. And finally, you've got Wi-Fi information, which will provide you with Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So this is it. These are all information that you can grab through this second code, and it's time to enter the third one, which is *pound, *225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we are in calendar info. So if you would have your Google account included in this device, you will be able to come along with all events, all celebrations, all important dates that are connected with your Google account. So you will remember about everything and nothing will skip your attention. And the last code is a very short one, but one of the most useful. It's *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with your unique IMEI number that is assigned to your RUGGEAR. So that would be all. Click on OK to go back, and now you can use your device in a normal way. This would be all secret codes for your device. Use them as often as you want to, as you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.